am a six-figure health coach.
And I am a six-figure health coach.
I am a six-figure health coach.
And Martita, and I am a six-figure health coach.
And I am a six-figure health coach.
And I am proud to say that I am now a six-figure health coach doing the work that I love.
I think the biggest problem for health coaches who have been struggling to get clients and put together a practice is they went into this to heal. They didn't realize they had just become an entrepreneur. Here's what I think the secret is. When you have maximum clarity on what you want and who you serve, and you know exactly the steps to take, a successful practice is inevitable. But it all starts with getting crystal clear. This has been my experience as I have coached doctors, health coaches, and other healers with a powerful desire to heal, as they all emerge with their clearly defined signature program that is in alignment with who they are. My name is Dr. Shaunna Menard, and I teach health coaches how to create six figures with their soul-satisfying health coaching practice. And I outline these steps in my book, Free to Heal. Your health coaching practice should be simple to launch. So why are most health coaches not reaching their potential? A lot of confusion. They don't know the steps to take. There's fear of what people will think, doubt as to whether this will work, overwhelmed with competing priorities. What if you could just cut out that doubt, negative self-talk, and distraction? What if you had the close, loving support and accountability from a mentor who's had to overcome these obstacles herself and clearly knows the path to take? Can you imagine how differently you would show up for your health coaching business if you knew for sure it would work? What if you could make a real difference without sacrificing your health, your family, your relationships, and make a real living? And by real, I mean six figures. I believe that's minimum wage for an entrepreneur. Because if you're not making enough, you're going to spend time and energy doing something else to put food on the table and a roof over your head, and you're going to put your dreams off to a someday that will never come. What if you could finally do the healing work that you know you were meant to do, with a stream of ideal clients lining up and grateful to receive your healing gifts? Imagine releasing your healing gifts to the world. When you awaken your inner healer, get clear on your mission and who you serve, and commit to the process, that's when the magic happens for you and your client. And how do I know this? I'm a healer. I'm a medical doctor and a health coach. I observed that 70% of everything I imaged as a radiologist could have been prevented with a healthy lifestyle. And as a health coach, I know the power of healthy habits. I know the healing gift inside you has the power to transform lives. If you are tired of being the best kept secret and you have more to give, the world really does need you. This is the place, and now is the time to dig deep and do the work you were truly meant to do. Apply now and make the difference you know you were born to make.